Hello, it's me, Simon, here from Andover Norton, and we're back again for another back in stock video. Been taking a look around the shelves as always to see what is available for your classic Norton bikes this week, so let's take a look and see what I found. Okay then, first one this week is part number 131959. That's the control cable roadside repair kit, and that's £13.97 including VAT. Next up is Miller's Gearbox Transmission Oil, the EP90. That is part number 131816, and that is £16 including VAT. Next is the green brake pads made in England. The EBC fits the 2195 and 2696 calipers. That's part number 922769RR, and they are £27.47 including VAT. Next is part number 060575. That is the fuel pipe ferrule in stainless steel, and that is £1.67 including VAT. And finally, the inspection cover kit for the primary side of the Commando from 69 through to 74. That is part number 131639, and that is £32.34 including VAT. And if there's anything I haven't mentioned but you'd like to know whether it's back in stock, obviously you can check out the Andover Norton website. And if it's not, you can set yourself a reminder so you'll get an email sent to you when that item comes back in stock. And if you're not too sure how to do that, there is a link in the section below that'll take you through the whole process of how to set up that email reminder system. And as well as that link in the bottom, there is also the links to every single item that I've mentioned today. Right, thanks ever so much for watching this week, and until next time, safe riding.